Hello, everybody, and welcome to my e-lesson. I'm your guru, and today I will tell you how to use VLOOKUP and get rid of these annoying #NA messages if your VLOOKUP value is not found. Alright, so what we can get is a simple space instead of this .#NA or a custom message like which says for Arnold, I will be back. Alright, so let us just first understand this example. These are the names of a few of my students who come to my school. So we have He-Man, Superman, Magneto, Hulk, Thor, and these are two Indian superstars, Munni and Sheila, Kim Kardashian and Paris Hilton also. They also have an inclination to study. What I teach them is something which I would not reveal. Alright. Or what I get taught from them, maybe. Too much. Let's get back to work now. So this is where I want the results. So if I want to see how much marks did Spider-Man get, so I'll use a VLOOKUP, right? So see, this is the advanced video. I've already talked VLOOKUP in my other videos. So if you want to learn basic VLOOKUP, you have to go to another one of my other videos. Go to this site and just search VLOOKUP and you'll get it. Now this is advanced, wherein if Spider-Man is not found over here, which anyhow he is not, you usually get this message, right? Now I want to get a custom message like Rambo. If Rambo is not found over here, it should show a blank. Alright, if Arnold, if we try to search the marks for Arnold, if Arnold is not listed over here, then it should show a custom message, say I will be back, or let's say another message which would say no data found. So that is what I'm trying to teach, and that's what we learn today. So let's do a simple VLOOKUP first. Is equal to, why did I delete them? Is equal to VLOOKUP. So this is how we do VLOOKUP, right? We write VLOOKUP. It says lookup value. What are we looking for? We are looking for this value, comma. Where are we looking for it? This says table array. So we are looking for it over here. Now, what are we looking for? See, it says column index number. We are looking for the marks. The marks are in which column in context to the value what we are looking for. If the value that we are looking for is in column 1, then marks are in column 2. So let me write column 2, comma, 0 is for approximate match, and 1 we can write for exact match. I would prefer 0. This gets the best results over there. 0, bracket close. That's it. Press enter. And we get a #NA. Why? Because this Spider-Man is not listed in this list. So we did not get any result. And what we got was a NA. Now, same case is with Rambo. Rambo is not also listed over here, but I have used VLOOKUP over here. See, VLOOKUP. However, the result is a space. The cell is empty. How did I do it? I did it using the if error formula. If error formula actually says give a value and a value. If error formula says that if it is able to find a value which is appropriate, it will display the value, or else it will display a value which it will display an error when the value is not found. So how to get the value? I use VLOOKUP over here to find the value. So what am I looking? I am looking for Rambo. I select that, comma, table array. This is my table array, comma 2, comma 0, bracket close. Immediately we mention another comma, and what is it highlighted? Value if error. So what would be my value if error? Open the quote sign, place a space, close the quote signs, close the bracket, you'll get a space. Because the value was not found, the formula wanted to return an error message, and I specified the error message to be a space, blank. Same goes for Arnold. is equal to if error. If error, the value I can find using VLOOKUP. I select what do I need to find. Then I select from where do I need to find. Then I write in the column number of the data which I want to return, comma 2, comma 0, bracket close, comma. Now value if error, quotes open, I will be back. Bracket close. Here's your answer. See? Now if I want to find somebody who's already mentioned over here, I kind of like her. Not that much. Not for the obvious things, but for the money. Okay. I again is equal to if error, what I'm looking this, from where am I searching? Here, which is the column number 2, comma 0, bracket close, comma. I did not mention, I forgot to mention VLOOKUP. And none of you actually stopped me. This is what I'm looking. This is from where I'm looking at it. Looking for it actually. Comma 2, comma 0, bracket close, comma. What do I write? Drive safe. See, I got 45. So this is how it is done. This file is available for free download on this website, myelesson.org. I hope you like this video. Keep on practicing. You will keep on getting better, and do share the video. Until the next video, this is your Guru now signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy learning.